This video gives you a quick overview of the TracNet Coastal web interface. When you log in with your username and password, you might first see the Setup Wizard, which walks the installer through the setup process. When it's completed, the wizard will no longer appear on startup. Let's skip the wizard and explore the home page. Here you can find the status of the system, along with your vessel's position and speed. Color-coded indicators show the status of each available WAN connection. In this example, shore Wi-Fi is the active WAN connection and its signal strength is good. TracNet Coastal automatically switches between available WAN connections to maintain your internet connection. In automatic mode, the system will use the best available connection from the choices of cell and shore Wi-Fi. If you prefer, you could also manually select which connection to use at any time. At the LAN settings page, you can configure the local Ethernet settings. At the WAN settings page, you can configure the WAN connections. On the Cell tab, you can see your current KVH SmartSIM connection. On the Wi-Fi tab, you can select the Wi-Fi networks the system should use for internet access. The Advanced option allows you to add a Wi-Fi network that's not currently broadcasting in your area. At the Account Settings page, you can change the login passwords for the administrator and guest. You can also change the displayed vessel name. At the Support page, you can find system information, including serial numbers and software versions. This page also shows any detected errors and warnings, which can be exported to a log file. You can also restart the system. At the Software Updates page, you can upload a software update file. However, the system will normally receive the latest updates automatically over the air. Finally, for complete details about the TracNet Coastal, refer to the system's help. This concludes our brief tour of the web interface. If you have any questions, please contact KVH Technical Support.